All right. Vlog is for you, EJ. Let's see what this looks like. See if I can do this while holding it. It's gonna be tough. Come on, guys. You can do it. I know that sun's amazing, but come on. Come on. I know. Sometimes you gotta go around back and gotta like knock on the back a little bit to get on the move. Atta kid. All right. Let's go back around front, baby. All right, here we go. Only got that much more room. That much more to go. There we go. And we're solid. All right. Looking good, babies. Said looking good, boys, I guess is the proper thing to say, because it's all roosters in here. Got some in there. Got some of these guys in here. Call you little chicken nuggets. We'll call you wing night. Call you mango habanero. Yep. You boys only have one bad day. It's coming, but it's all good. All right, then. Take these wheels off. Just a chore in itself. See if I can. Oh, no. See if I can do it. I doubt it's gonna be right. Oh, I know what I can do. Put this guy right here on one that's not gonna move. Oh! There we go. Does that work? Kinda. And the best part, shitty wheels. Shitted on them. But, got this handy dandy little spot there. So, alright. The sheep is out. Sun's a-blazing up there like that. Alright. Onward. Let's see what else is going on around here. Pellets. That's awesome. Just so you know. Alright. It's another chicken tractor. I haven't finished yet. Alright. Come here, kid. We'll turn you off there. Go. And we'll turn you on. Yep. And we're going to turn it up to 225. Yep. Set that. Hit the ignite button. Yes. There you go. There's ignite. But the probe, you see is at 195, which is exactly where it needs to be. Let's see if she'll ignite. Now that girl's talking to me in my ear. Look at them butts, boy. All right, then. Try and get some damn grass to grow. There's the other peckers over there in that corner. All right. We'll see it. Oh, look, there's moths. Real asshole right there. Real McAsshole right there. Mm-hmm.